What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to try to repair a Sega Genesis. We bought 3 from goodwill.com. 2 worked and 1 didn't. This will not display anything on the TV at all. And what I mean by fix is we're just going to take it apart, blow it out, rub some alcohol through it, and hope for the best. I'll go ahead and power it on for you now so you can see. It just doesn't display anything whatsoever. Do it one more time. And we got nothing. 3D Blast works. I played it last night on one of the other Segas. So let's go ahead and get this video started and tear this thing apart. Alright guys, I'm back with everything I think we should need. Phillips head screwdriver, some alcohol, toothbrush, and some Q-tips. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Looks like we got 4 Phillips heads to take out. Alright, we got 4 screws, we'll keep them over there. And I believe it should just pull apart. Yep. Looks like we got a gang of screws going around it now. So I'm going to try to get this plate off right here. Alright. That there. Alright, I don't see any screws around the edge of the motherboard, so I'll take these out. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be in here. Okay, let's see if she does that. It was not hard at all. Don't forget about that piece on the bottom. It came off the back of this right here. Alright, and there it is, disassembled. Okay. Really don't see, I really don't know what I'm even looking for, to be honest with you. Like I said, we're just going to clean this real good, wipe the board down, clean everything up. Alright, one second. Alright guys, I'm back. Off camera I went ahead and just cleaned this up with soap and water. Nothing major, but it looks a lot better. I'll try to glue these stickers back down if I can. So let's set this to the side and let it dry. I did not wash these down, I just wiped them down a little bit. I mean, they're already rusting pretty good, so. And just a reminder, there was 9 screws to hold this piece onto the board. There was 4 screws to hold the Xbox together, or excuse me, the Sega Genesis together, and 2 screws for this piece. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a toothbrush and dip it in some alcohol and just try to clean this thing a little bit. I mean, I really don't know what I'm looking for, but the board to me looks pretty good. I don't see anything burn or anything, or weird spot right there. Maybe that'll wash off. Alright, start with this side. This side cleaned up pretty nice. Alright, flip it over and work on this side a little bit. We'll start with this right here. Like I said, do not use this as a tutorial video because I really have no idea what I'm doing, so I don't want you to copy me and mess something up. I mean, that looks good enough. Thought it was a burn spot, I'm not sure. See, one of these will fit down deeper inside piece right there. Alright guys, I think that's about as much as I can really do with it. So start get ready to assemble this thing back together and see if it helped anything. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll start with this piece here. That just falls right in there. Then don't forget this piece here. Alright, I believe no screws yet. Try the motherboard. Alright, now 2 bigger screws. One here, one here. Get those tightened down. Alright. Next is it's this piece. I believe there was 9 screws. There we go. There's 9 screws that went around it. Alright, that's on there now. Go ahead and put the cover on. Go, cover's on. Drop our 4 screws in. Alright, we'll tighten those down. Alright, and there is our Sega Genesis cleaned. Soap and water, alcohol, wiped down in hopes that she will work. Alright, let's get the TV set up and see what happens. Alright guys, I got this thing plugged back into the TV and we'll hit the power button and hope for the best. Here we go. And we got it. Not bad, so I'm not gonna get too excited yet. Look over the quality of that picture. I think it's just because it's on this TV right here. We'll try another game too after this one, if this one works fully. Yeah, it's not bad. Just a little cleaning. So now we have 3 working Sega Genesis. 1 to keep, 2 to sell. If anybody's interested out there. There we go. Alright, let me grab us another game and we'll check it out. Alright, went and found us another game. This one here is Decap Attack. Let's install it in the Sega and see if it works. If it works, I'm calling this Sega fixed. Got words, and we got a Sega sign. Nice. Now the game hasn't played, but remember, this Sega was not working 45 minutes ago. working also. Alright, I'm going to try just one more game. Just to make sure. And then I'll play it, you know, about an hour later on today, offline, just to make sure it works good before we sell it. Alright, one more game, and we'll see what we got. Alright guys, I went and grabbed Spider-Man for the third game. This game works. I guess we'll call this system fixed and try to sell it. Alright, let's hit the power button and see if she works. We got something. It's a pretty nice feeling to fix something. Even though we didn't really fix it, we just cleaned it. I know it's pretty dark. I don't know if it's the... Might be the TV and the way the sun's hitting everything. But we're going to go ahead and wrap the video right here. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe to the channel. The next video will probably be working on an Xbox or a PlayStation. Two of the Xboxes we got didn't work, and one of those PlayStations overheated, so we're going to see what we can do about that. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys, and everybody have a nice day.